So the RBI is not directly concerned with the service tax. As far as the service tax is concerned, it's the Department of Revenue of the Government of India which is concerned with the service tax. And the Department of Revenue, with effect from 1st of October 2014, on all these radio taxi services has levied service tax. Some of them had been avoiding it, and therefore whatever steps are provided within the legislations, including coercive steps in that regard, the Department of Revenue has started taking those steps. As far as the RBI is concerned, the RBI was concerned really with the question of a two-level authentication. Now this two-level authentication, in the absence of which the payment gateway was going outside the country, that is for a domestic service, eventually the payment ended up as a foreign exchange payment, which was a clear violation. The operators had been seeking extension of time. The RBI has put its foot down, and with effect from 1st of December, they have been told to completely comply with it, and a large number of them are already complying with it. Those who do not comply with it will face the logical consequences.
Thank you.
Repeated circulars have been issued by the RBI, and notices have been given to all the defaulters in the last few months, so that to make sure that the payment gateway does not take the payment outside the country. If it goes outside the country, there will be two consequences. The first consequence will be that those who have a domestic credit card meant for user only within the territory of India, through that domestic card, what was happening prior to the 1st of December in relation to these radio taxi services, that was making a payment, and because the payment gateway took the money outside the country, it resulted in a foreign exchange outgo. The second consequence was that for a domestic service which we have utilized, the payment was going through foreign exchange. Now that has been strictly prohibited by the RBI, and the RBI has issued a large number of circulars in this regard and compelled most of the people to fall in line. Those who do not fall in line will face the necessary consequences under the foreign exchange management.
बिग बॉस आ रहा है कलर टीवी के अंदर, उसके ऊपर डेली जो खराब चीजें दिखाई जा रही है, उसके ऊपर क्या ध्यान आपका है? जो आपकी 24 घंटे मॉनिटरिंग कमेटी बनाई है, वो क्या करती है?